Today I'm going to show you how to make a really basic vegan banana bread. So what you're going to need for this one is 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder, the vegan. I've got 2 cups here of flour. I'm just using a plain flour, but you can use whatever flour you prefer. I've got 1/3 of a cup of pure maple syrup, 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil which I've melted. I've got about a teaspoon amount of bicarb soda, and I've got about 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And then I'm going to be using a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now I've got 4 bananas for the mix, but I'm only using 3 bananas in my mixture, and then I'm going to use 1 of the bananas to decorate the top. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to pop my bananas into my food processor and just process that up until it creates a liquid consistency. It's just much easier than mashing it with a potato masher. I'm then going to just chuck in the rest of my ingredients and mix that together until it creates a nice smooth texture. I'll pour that mixture into my lined baking tray, and then I'm going to pop that into the oven, which I've been preheating at 180 degrees, and I'm going to allow that to cook for about 45 minutes until it's nice and golden on the top. I'll then take it out of the oven, allow it to cool completely, slice it up, and yeah, we'll dig in.